Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share a video. Remember to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. If you want to buy cookies balls, yes, start it. You buy use 150-gram butter. Would they half cup powdered sugar, vanilla. Now we're creaming now together. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni na yeden. Ewo ho. Tiboko so yeden creamy. We creamy we now the 2 cups all-purpose flour egum, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons powder milk. 1 mixy amana for me dough. O de 1/3 cup milk aka ho. Chemu mienu. Na o de baako no de unsweet cocoa powder egumu. 1 mixing it together. O de akwato working surface ni wa roli. O de biscuit cutter akate. O be use different sizes. Atenda akwato baking tray so. Sana be nyina kusita ma ebesa. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. What the fork accuracy holes ewo mfimfin design open no sana obeye. Uwi anu aba chocolate one no so be roll no akate. That one no for vanilla and chocolate na no wa born round. We are not don say amia so. Now they are told baking tray so. Sana beye ni nyina nti design na open no. Wo betimi eden aye. We're baking 170 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, no way you know what manacho. We need a powder sugar and I'm spread it then. It was so. Be filling, you be use 40-gram butter. No way beating. Put the 2 tablespoons powder sugar. No way cause we beating. 1.5 tablespoons unsweet cocoa powder. O de milk kakra eden egum se be ma na ye mre. We are not acquire or failing no. Now we so your melted chocolate and also would the bed design ho. Star open no. Sana by we so your groundnut. The candy chocolate na den aye half. We are now the groundnut no egugu esro. Eti design na ope no. Sa na we den obeye. Uwi na de ato enchen. Me yeah cookies when I'm tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Opese we ye fere no so wo de cream ni bi gu esro na wo de ba kwa to so na no so de ato nchen. Yep macho se ne di kan a wo hwe video a mema rem to subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto wa won side ebeka. Now this our cookies box. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.